Good morning, Coppell. My name is Wes Mays, Mayor of the city. This is the first annual Neighbors Helping Neighbors, and we are so thankful for everyone coming out today. The city of Coppell is just super excited about Neighbors Helping Neighbors. This is the first time that we've had an opportunity to ask people to come out and help their neighbors. We've had over 120 people volunteer to come do projects all across the city. This is the first of many to come, and we're just super excited about the event.
I think this is an incredible event because it's for a first-time event to have to be able to cut off the volunteer sign up because we had too many volunteers for the number of sites. That's an incredible testament to the community that we have in Coppell. So we're really excited about this year. We're really excited about what this can be in the future.
I love this community. It's a great community. People care about each other, and people go out of their way for each other. I mean, it's really a fairly good-sized town now, but it has a really small town feel.
The event is so special because it's all about our residents. It's about our residents who have needs and about our residents who are willing to serve. It brings them together. It marries the two components that are so important to our success in our community, and that's our neighbors, helping neighbors.
Well, there's a lot of people in the community that need help, that are kind of under the radar. Don't ask for help oftentimes, but need it. There are many of us that are able to help them and happy to do so.
I believe that they are like a blessing in disguise. So they help me with removing the shrubs, clearing up my backyard, and also I never expected they are helping me with installing my swing. So just thank you to all the team and the troop.